just got curious with is pricing. I'm not gonna ask you to say what your prices are, but I'm curious. Like, that's a sensitive topic for a lot of artists and teachers. So like, when did you feel like it was the right price for you? Or, you know what I mean? Like, when do you feel like you're in the middle of conversation, like, this is what I'm worth? You know what I mean? Instead of like undercutting yourself.
Yeah, you know what? When you're starting out, you want to do things for free. Try to do. Yeah.
No, keep going.
Yeah.
I love what you're saying right now.
Yeah.
Yes, I love what you're saying.
Yeah, because it's like, if it's about money, you're not gonna get far. But if it's about helping others, you're gonna get somewhere.
Yeah.
So if you do it for free just because it's your passion, you know, I think you're gonna get so many blessings from there.
Yeah.
So I remember I would do things for free, you know, and then I started charging like $20, $40, you know, and then later I would ask people around, you know, and I would kind of witness what they did and stuff. But then they would charge more, and they were not even doing as much as I do. For example, like in quinceañeras, right? So they were charging so much when they would just choreograph and that's it.
Oh,
you would
go the extra mile.
Yeah. Like, I made sure it was done and ready.
Yeah.
I made sure we had a rehearsal at the hall.
Yeah.
I was the host. I gave in the mix. I did the mix.
Wow.
And I made sure everything was good from beginning to the end of the routine. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So then after that, I realized, wait, hold up. You know, you know your worth. You know, like, that person's charging a lot, and he's not. You know, he's only half-assing it. You know, but I guess it was just the way they would market themselves.
Yeah.
But I think little by little, you know your worth. But with this business, let's see. For example, when I was little, my parents they couldn't afford classes, you know? So when I got into being a business owner, a studio owner, I told myself I want to make my classes affordable.
Yeah, a lot of studios now are like $20 a class. I remember when I was able to go to class, it was like $12. Now like $20
it's like
a class.
$20,
It's fucking crazy. Yeah, and that honestly, kind of scares people away, because it's like, you know, if they don't see the value of it, it's kind of hard to sell it.
Yeah, definitely. So I made mine really affordable, and they're still affordable. But now when you have a space, you have to charge, you know, a little bit more.
Yeah.
But even then, like, my prices are reasonable, and I still help people out.
Yeah.
So let's say they have a wedding, and I say, is this much? And they say, hey, you know, I only have this much.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what? Yeah, let's do it. I try not to say no.
Yeah. Oh, so you're really like open and flexible in a sense.
Because of that, they recommend you to other people. They like the choreography. More people come, you know, and they always gonna keep you in mind.
Yeah.
This person helped me out. Oh, I'm looking for a dance instructor. Oh, I know who to send you to.
Yeah. So like, really, it's not so much the transaction, but it's the relationship you built from it.
From there, yeah. And it has helped me out a lot throughout the years, helping other people out.
So I think you brought up one thing that I thought that was a really good point. One thing that I love that you brought up is you did some of the work for free at first, because a lot of people are against the idea of doing free work. And it's funny because this is also another example, one of the themes that I talked about today. Like, my friend Anthony, I interviewed him. He used to go, you know, Monsters of Hip Hop, right? That event. Yeah. He used to drive up to San Francisco. He would, with no plan, he would go up there and say, I'll help clean up the event, and they would just let him take the classes for free. So he would he would literally just go up to the Bay, with no plan, and he'd be willing to do any of the, I guess, quote unquote dirty work, as long as he can take class. And then what I like how you're saying is, in order to get yourself out there, you're just doing it for free at first, and then it led to a point where you had a price point that was worth your time and the effort that you put in compared to like the competitors. So
Yes.
I mean, I think that's something that everyone needs to pay attention to, is because it's like, you know, I know you guys want to get the coin right off the bat, but it's like, you know, if you don't have a body of work, you know, you're not worth shit, to be honest. Like, I mean, not your self-worth. You're worth a lot, but in terms of now we're talking into the business side, it's like, you know, you have to have a body of work.
You have to have a different mentality. Yeah, and you have to, like I said, there's some people that can't afford you, but you could kind of trade. Be like, hey, okay, we'll do your budget, but if you could promote it or tag me, or you know, you can use these type of things. You know, but I think you got to put yourself out there, and the only way is by you doing things for free. And then you meet these people. What's important is if you go out to events, or, you know, the connections, the people you meet. Because they could help you out, or either of you could help each other out. Yeah.